What's up, pizza punks? It's Missy. I look like a toenail right now, but that's okay, because I'm gonna look even worse after this video is done. So, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be turning myself into a scene kid. I used to be seen way back in the day, like super seen. So a company actually sent me one of their wigs to review for you guys. Their company is called Hair Plus Base. A link to this exact wig and their website will be in the description box. It's a really pretty wig. And after I tried it on and cut it and styled it, I was like, this is a scene kid hairdo. I have to do a scene transformation just because. Here's the wig, sort of. It's like all sticking out everywhere because I need to comb it, but it's really, really pretty. We'll try it on in a little bit when we're done. So this wig is the only reason I'm doing this video. I'm gonna go change into something more scene and be back with you to start doing the makeup. I'm back in 10% more scene now. Oh my god, why did I used to dress like this? Like, this is actually a shirt and some necklaces that I used to wear whenever I was younger. Don't know why I still have them, but I do. Here's my shirt. It's just a really old Chelsea green one. It's like purple, got this crazy dude on it. And then I have the classic brass knuckles and a Hello Kitty necklace that is actually so old that the white has yellowed. I think I bought this in like 2007. And then of course, the many rubber bracelets. This one's a Jeffree Star one from whenever he used to make music. So now we're just gonna start on the makeup. So I'm just gonna start with primer because even though I didn't wear it back then, I still need to prime my goddamn face. I of course have the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette to match my Beauty Killer bracelet. And I got some concealer because whenever you're seen, you have to look really pale and ghosty. Next I just have my foundation, which is just some Burt's Bees. Did anybody else put foundation over their lips for some god-awful reason? Because I used to. So when I was seen, sorry this is like up close and personal, but it's gotta be. When I was seen, I used to have like tons of like bright pink and purple eyeshadows. So that's what we're gonna wear today. And we're honestly just gonna pack as much on there as we can because the brighter, the better. See me from space, kind of bright? Good. Here's my eyes. It looks like someone punched me out. This is how I used to wear my makeup, just really bright colors. I feel like it could go brighter than what it is, but it just looks so ridiculous. Now, I don't have like a crayon type eyeliner anymore that's black. I just use liquid eyeliner, so hopefully I can do this with like eyeshadow to make the like raccoon eyes that I used to have. So we're gonna cross our fingers and hope we can go to the like next level scene. Am I raw enough yet? I think this looks pretty good. This is how I used to do my eyeliner. For now we have to put on some mascara. I just have some Better Than Sex and Benefit mascara, and let's see if we can do what I want with that. Here's my face so far. Looks ridiculous, but this is how I used to go out. Why did I go out like this? Who knows? I never used to wear lipstick or anything. I just used to wear like lip gloss. So I got this, which is just some Too Faced Honey lip gloss, and this should make my lips like really shiny. Looks god awful, but what didn't whenever you were seen. And now to finish it off, I'm gonna put my wig on. So give me 1 second. Oh my freaking god, what did I do? So here's the wig. I got it all styled. I pulled my bangs over and got a little bow and a hair clip, like RaWr and stuff. What the heck? Why was this a thing? This is exactly what I used to look like, not lying. It's not a phase, mom. Sorry, I'm looking into the viewfinder. I'm just trying to get my hair like super seen. I'm gonna add some photos at the end. I'm gonna put them all over Instagram too whenever I post this video. No one's gonna know what the heck happened. Oh my god, this is wonderful. So guys, that's my scene kid transformation. Hashtag RaWr. Hope you enjoyed. Comment down below if you used to dress like this and used to look like this, because I surely did way back in like 2008 to 2010. This was my life. What was it? HXC life? I don't know. That was something I used to write all over myself. It was HXC. I don't know. Do you like my transformation? Do I look like a scene kid? I think I freaking do. I look like a freaking idiot, but hold on. I need to find sunglasses. That'll top it off. These are the only sunglasses I own, so hopefully these are seen enough. Oh my god. I freaking can't. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah.